Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. When we are cooking at home, we do it because we love it, we enjoy it, and it is also very convenient. However, there are certain mistakes that can sabotage your health goals despite your best efforts. We are going to talk about some common kitchen mistakes that many people make while cooking and eating that can lead to weight gain and other health problems. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1, adding too much salt. Excess salt intake has been linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. According to the World Health Organization, adults should consume no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day. However, the average American consumes more than 3,400 milligrams per day. One way to reduce salt intake is to cook at home more often. When you cook at home, you can control the amount of salt added to your food. When eating out, it is difficult to know how much salt is added to your food when it is prepared by someone else. To reduce salt intake, start by cutting back on processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium, and then gradually add salt to taste when cooking at home. You can also use herbs and spices to add flavor to your food instead of salt. Mistake number 2, not using enough herbs and spices. Herbs and spices are not only delicious, but they also have a lot of health benefits. They are packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that can help improve our overall health. Plus, they can help us reduce our intake of salt, sugar, and fat. For example, turmeric is a spice that contains curcumin, a compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is another spice that can help regulate blood sugar levels. There are many different ways to add herbs and spices to your diet. You can sprinkle them on your food, add them to soups or stews, or even use them to make homemade salad dressings. So don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and try out new herbs and spices. You may be surprised at how much you enjoy them. Mistake 3, not drinking enough water. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining good health. When we don't drink enough water, we can end up feeling hungry, which can lead to overeating. Water helps to fill up our stomachs, which sends a signal to our brains that we are full. This can help prevent overeating and weight gain. Additionally, drinking water before meals has been shown to help people eat less and feel more satisfied with their meals. If you want to make sure that you are drinking enough water, try setting a daily goal for yourself. You can also drink water before each meal and keep a water bottle with you when you go out. Mistake number 4, not getting enough sleep. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies produce more of the stress hormone, cortisol. Cortisol can make us impulsively reach for the first food we see, and can also make it harder to stick to our healthy eating goals. In addition, sleep deprivation can lead to an increase in appetite and weight gain. Getting enough sleep is important, not only for our physical health, but also for our mental when we are well rested, we are better able to make healthy choices and stick to our goals. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. If you have trouble sleeping, there are a variety of techniques that can help, such as practicing good sleep hygiene, avoiding caffeine before bed, and getting regular exercise. Mistake number 5, overeating. Overeating is a common problem that can lead to weight gain and other health problems. It happens when we consume more calories than our bodies need. When we overeat, our bodies store the excess calories as fat. Over time, this can lead to obesity and other health problems, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. There are a number of things that can cause us to overeat. One reason is that we live in a culture where food is readily available and often high in calories. In addition, our brains can trick us into thinking we are hungrier than we actually are. Sometimes we eat because we are bored or stressed and not because we need to fuel our body. To avoid overeating, it is important to listen to our bodies and eat only when we are hungry. We should also aim to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. So these are just a few of the common kitchen mistakes that can sabotage your health goals. By being aware of these mistakes and making changes in your own kitchen, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your health and wellness goals. Thank you for watching today's video. Please like and share it with your friends and family if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Stay healthy and see you in our next video.